Welcome to our introductory video about buying cryptocurrencies and how test networks can help you experiment risk-free. In blockchain networks like Ethereum and Polygon, gas fees are essential for the network's security. To pay these fees, you'll need cryptocurrencies in your digital wallet. To acquire cryptocurrencies, head to a reputable exchange, purchase your desired cryptocurrency, and transfer it to your wallet. Now, let's talk about test networks. They are alternative blockchain environments designed for testing and experimentation. They mirror the mainnet but use test tokens with no real value. In fact, you can obtain test tokens for free through faucets, which are websites that distribute test tokens to developers and users for testing purposes. For more detailed information about acquiring test or real cryptocurrencies for your project, visit the tutorial page. If you haven't subscribed yet, head to the wpsmartcontracts.com, subscribe and claim your free blockchain toolkit. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.